Airports are full of hidden secrets that airlines don't want you to know. Some of these could get you stopped by TSA. Others will cost you hundreds of dollars in hidden fees. And one of them could even get you banned from flying. Most travelers have no idea these secrets exist, but today, you will. Here are the 10 biggest airport secrets that can save you money, stress, and even your flight. You've been there. You're at the airport. You've got your water bottle, and then TSA stops you. Sorry, no liquids past security. So now you're forced to toss it out like everyone else. And just minutes later, the airport conveniently sells you a new bottle for $5 or more. Starting to feel like a setup? But here's what they don't tell you. Many airports have hidden water refill stations right next to restrooms. Yeah, those machines aren't just for fancy reusable bottles, they're there for you too. So next time, don't fall for the scam, just bring an empty bottle and refill it for free. You just got your boarding pass, and what's the first thing you do? Snap a photo and post it online. Look at me, I'm flying first class. But guess what? You may have just handed a scammer full access to your personal travel details. That little barcode on your boarding pass, it's not just some random lines, it's a goldmine of information. Inside that barcode is your full name, your frequent flyer number, and even your future travel details. And with just that info, scammers can steal your miles, cancel your flights, or even reroute your trip without you knowing. So what's the fix? Never post your boarding pass online. Or if you really want to flex your flight, blur the barcode first. Because trust me, losing your miles and personal info is way worse than missing out on a few Instagram likes. You're stuck at the airport. Flight delayed, phone dying, only seating, a sticky plastic chair next to a broken outlet. Meanwhile, just over there, people are relaxing in luxury, sipping drinks with free Wi-Fi and private showers. Must be nice, right? Well, you don't need a first-class ticket to get in. Most people think these lounges are for the rich, but anyone can get in. Certain credit cards automatically give you free lounge access, even on economy tickets. Cards like Priority Pass, Amex Platinum, or even basic travel rewards cards unlock these lounges for free. And get this, lounges offer unlimited free food, drinks, high-speed Wi-Fi, and even private showers. While everyone else is paying $18 for a depressing sandwich, you're eating gourmet meals for free. No credit card? No problem. Some lounges sell day passes for just $25. So if your layover is long, why waste $30 at a food court? Get lounge access instead. Alright guys, let me save you some serious money. Airlines want you to think that round-trip tickets are always the cheapest option. But guess what? That's not always true. Sometimes, booking 2 separate one-way tickets can be way cheaper. But here's where it gets really interesting. Ever heard of hidden city ticketing? This is next-level travel hacking. Instead of booking a direct flight to Chicago, you book a cheaper ticket to Los Angeles. But with a layover in Chicago, you just leave at your layover city, and boom, you saved hundreds. But don't try this if you have checked luggage, because your bag will go to the final destination, not where you get off. It's a risky move, but if you pack light, the 2-ticket trick can save you big on flights. Yes, you just booked a flight for $49. What a steal! You're feeling unstoppable until you get to baggage check. Surprise! Your cheap flight just turned into a scam. Airlines lure you in with dirt cheap fares, then slap you with hidden baggage fees at the airport. Oh, and that baggage weight limit? Sometimes they change it randomly just to force you to pay more. One day it's 50 pounds. The next, 40. Guess who's paying extra? Here's how you fight back. First, always weigh your bag at home before heading to the airport. Next, wear your heaviest clothes. Look, I'm not saying you have to dress like a walk-in closet, but every pound counts, because saving money, looking fashionable at check-in. You're at airport security, feeling relaxed, ready to breeze through TSA like a pro, until this happens. Beep. Step aside, please. Congratulations, you've just been randomly selected for a full-body pat-down. Here's the deal. TSA machines randomly flag passengers, and sometimes it's for no reason at all. Maybe it's your jacket, maybe it's your belt, Or maybe TSA just likes to keep you on your toes. Meanwhile, the guy in full metal chains and sunglasses walks through no problem. So here's how you don't get flagged. First, stand still. These scanners detect movement weirdly. Second, avoid wearing bulky clothes or excessive metal. The less layers, the less chance you get stopped. Unless, of course, you love awkward TSA searches. In that case, go wild. But these secrets, nothing compared to what's coming. Because the #1 airport secret is something airlines never want you to know. Your flight was supposed to leave at 2 p.m., but now it's delayed. Uh-oh, looks like your flight's been delayed. Again, please enjoy our rock-hard seats and $12 bottled water while you wait. But here's what they don't tell you. If your flight is delayed more than 2 hours, some airlines must offer you a full refund. Do they announce this? Nope, because they'd rather you sit there and suffer in silence. So what do? Ask for compensation. Even if they say no, keep pushing. Many travelers score free flight credits just by asking the right questions, because sitting in the airport for 5 hours is bad, but getting a free flight out of it, not too bad. You've been waiting at the airport for hours and now your flight is delayed again. Sorry for the inconvenience. We appreciate your patience and excessive spending on overpriced snacks. But what if I told you your flight might not actually be delayed? Some airlines fake delays just to save themselves money. Why fly 2 half-full planes when we can stall passengers and cram them into one? Genius. Here's how you expose the trick. Open the Flight Radar 24 app and track your plane. If the app shows your plane is nowhere near the airport, fine. But if it's sitting at the gate and you're still waiting, you just got played. Now you've got proof. Walk up to the airline desk and demand answers. Best case, they magically find another flight for you. Worst case, at least you'll know the truth while everyone else is clueless. Because getting lied to is bad. But getting lied to and missing your flight? Even worse. You've got your boarding pass, your carry-on, and you're ready to finally get on the plane. Attention passengers, we've accidentally sold more tickets than we have seats. Whoops, we need volunteers to give up their seats. Yeah, that wasn't an accident. Airlines intentionally sell more tickets than they have seats, hoping some people won't show up. And if too many people actually show up, well, their problem. If they try to bump you off, do not take the first offer. They'll try to hand you a voucher. Oh wow, $200 in airline credit. That expires in 6 months. What a deal. Here's the trick. Ask for cash compensation. Legally, airlines can't force you to take a voucher. And guess what? The longer you hold out, the higher the offer goes. So while everyone else is getting scammed with vouchers, you just got paid to take the next flight. You just booked your flight. You're feeling great. Until 5 minutes later, you see the same ticket for $100 less. No! Why did I book so fast? Here's the secret airlines don't want you to know. Most flights are 100% refundable within 24 hours. But do airlines announce this? Nope. Because they'd rather you pay extra and regret it. So here's what you do. If you find a cheaper price within 24 hours, cancel and rebook. It's 100% legal and cost you nothing. Boom! Instant savings with 0 penalties. Next time you book a flight, don't stress. Just know that for 24 hours, you hold all the power. Now you know the secrets airlines don't want you to know. But there's one more trick that will save you even more money. Click here to watch it next.